with the new body, new engine, and wholly new eyesight system. These are the new values of the new Outback. It is larger in overall length, and as a result, has a larger cabin space, storage space, and utility space. The Outback, in addition to the unique features I have already mentioned, is rugged and tough. Its value also lies in the fact that it makes people want to go outdoors and on adventures. Furthermore, it is highly versatile and highly functional. These are the ideas which we incorporated into the design of the new Outback. We added 2 new trim lines to the new Outback. One is the touring grade, with high quality, and the other is the field grade, which is more outdoor oriented. We have prepared exclusive seats, especially for the field grade. Next, let's talk about the dimensions. First of all, the new model is larger in length. The extended part has basically been apportioned to the cabin space and the luggage space, but has also achieved more legroom in the rear seat, as well as more luggage space. The overall width has also been enlarged. This has also contributed to improved luggage and cabin space. The interior is perhaps the most remarkable thing that has evolved in the Outback. It is very classy. We tried to realize the interior styling by utilizing 3-dimensional motif shapes for each section, which highlights design continuity, consistency, and integration. The repeated patterns of silver decoration, touch of softly wrapped surface skins, well sewn, clearly contrasted stitch arrangements, and so on. It is laid out so that whole thing stands out. First of all, we have introduced for the first time to the Subaru vehicles premium quality leather called Napa leather for the seat surface material. This leather provides fine touch and supple feel. The value of this high-quality leather can be appreciated by the 5 senses, especially for its unique look, feel, and smell. I would really like you to personally check the premium craftsman quality of the Napa leather. As for the field grade, we adopted polyurethane synthetic leather, also for the first time for the Subaru models. This material is designed with water resistance and breathability together with gentle feel. It realizes an extremely luxurious interior space that is not seen in and far exceeds the quality of the cabins of past Subaru vehicles. Also in the cabin of the new Outback is a new infotainment system using large displays. With the new infotainment system, we believe that we were able to bring to the vehicle the same ease of use that you experience with your smartphones and tablets. The system has a similar look and can be operated in the same manner, and yet it is innovative and user-friendly. One of the biggest highlights is the large 11.6-inch vertically oriented Full HD display installed on Subaru vehicles for the first time. We also updated the system configuration. The conventional infotainment system consisted of independent systems of navigation, audio, and meters. With the new system, we put the cockpit control unit in the center. It made it possible to use one unit to control display of information relating to infotainment and meters, as well as to configure the settings for each system. This helps create a feeling of a well-organized cockpit. Similarly, the new Outback base grade is the first Subaru vehicle to be equipped with the infotainment system that has a multimedia screen. These are new visual and technical features that we implemented. We upgraded the display on the base grade with 2 7-inch 800 by 400 WVGA displays. The upper section displays infotainment information, and the lower section provides switches such as HVAC that are frequently used. Taking all these advantages into account, we decided to equip the vehicle with a vertical display. I would like to use a large display as an example to explain some of the representative functional features of the infotainment system. First, it can display navigational bearing information and media information, and depending on the settings, we made it possible to display the vehicle conditions such as oil temperature, water temperature, and accelerator position with a triple meter. It also has an X-mode switch. The second feature is the navigational function. The information is displayed using the full vertical screen to make it easier to see and understand. The third feature is the car info screen, which shows the status the vehicle is in, such as the drive mode of the wheels and the pitch angle of the vehicle for easy understanding. The fourth feature is the setting screen. We made it possible and easier to use the Infotainment System to configure detailed settings for vehicle systems, including eyesight that I mentioned earlier, as opposed to the conventional way of using the meter information display, MID, to do the same. The fifth feature relates to applications. CarPlay information can be displayed in full screen of the vertical display. For Android Auto or CarLife and WeLink from China, we split the display in two, and the upper portion can be used to manipulate the icons, and the lower portion can display music and other information. Next, let's look at the luggage and cargo space in the cabin. As I mentioned previously, this model extends the dimensions of the vehicle, including an increase in width, and as a result offers more luggage space than previous models. As for the opening, we minimize the sizes of the lower corners in order to make it easier to load and unload the luggage close to the opening edge. Also, by allowing larger dimensions lengthwise and crosswise, the overall volume has been increased. This enables to load a cargo freely, which used to be loaded only in a certain direction. We have created the luggage room which is more user-friendly. Furthermore, improvements have been made so that one's luggage and cargo can be stored more effectively. For example, hands-free power rear gate. You can open the rear gate with just a touch of your hand. You can also pop open the tonneau cover with a touch of your hand. Even if your hands are not free, the luggage space is designed so that there is just a minimal effort to loading your luggage. The cargo hooks have been improved also. They used to be installed only at low locations close to the floor, but we installed them also close to the windows to make it easier to arrange and fix the cargo. The nets provided at the side pockets are now movable up and down. Two types of roof rails are available for the new model Outback. The crossbar type roof rails, which have also been installed in the current model, are now provided with aluminum bars of a matched design in the new model. When loading a long cargo item on the roof, the holes of these aluminum bars can be used to fix the cargo with a rope to carry it in a stable manner. This kind of function is installed in an Outback model for the first time. For the field grade, we installed ladder-type roof rails. A hook is provided on the inner side of a unique green color point, which can be used together with generally available hook ropes to stably fix and load cargo. In addition, the ladder-type roof rails are designed to withstand the weight of a roof tent. They are capable of holding the load up to 318 kilograms. In other words, a family can stay in a tent on the vehicle roof. We have placed much emphasis on how this new model enhances the value of the Outback. In a sense, we have completed the Outback as a tool for measuring just how much we can make people want to go outdoors.